Hello guys, so today we are here to solve this problem called destination city. So if you see this problem description, it's a long one, and this may give an impression that this is a difficult problem. But actually this problem is not that difficult. And I'll show you, why I am saying that it is not a difficult problem. So first of all, let's go through the problem. We are given an input which is list of list, okay? An input which is list of list, okay? And in this we have to find from this list, and this list is basically list of two cities, okay? And these two cities tell that there is a direct path from city at the 0th index to city at the first index. So given this, the problem is asking us to tell us which one is the destination city. Destination city is that city in which there is any outgoing path to another city. So if there is any city without any outgoing path to another city, so this itself tells that if there is no outgoing path, then the destination city will not be in the 0th index, because 0th index means that there is a path from 0th index to the first index. So destination city is not going to be in the 0th index in this list of list. Okay. So if we collect all the, so let me do one thing here. Okay. So if I do like this, okay, set of strings, okay, set of strings, start city, okay, is equal to new hash set. Okay, set of string destination city. This also is, let's say is a hash set. Okay, and then for list path paths, okay, for this, let's say that, okay, we add this. We start city dot add, okay, path dot get of 0, okay, and destination city. So let's do, like this list of string, okay, destination city dot add path dot get 1, okay. If you do like this, and then at the end we do like this, okay, for string s in the destination city, if s dot if start city dot contains of s, but we want a negation of that, because we want that destination city is not there in the start city list. So just we return s, otherwise we are going to do that, we would just return, let's say, empty string. Okay, so let's just run this. I hope this, this thing is clear what we are doing here. What we are doing here, that we are creating two sets, and then we are, figuring it out that whether the string, the city name in the destination city is there in the start city set. If it is there, then that is not a destination city. If it is not there, then that is the destination city, and that's what we are returning here. Okay, so perfect. Let's run this. Perfect. Now we will save this. Okay. Now this is a good solution, but it is not the best solution. How to evolve this? How to make this solution a better one? So to make this a better one, let me try doing some things over here. Okay. So let's do, this as a string array. Okay. Destination city. Okay. And then City is equal to new string array. Okay, and then here the paths dot size. Okay, that is enough. And then here int I is equal to 0. Let's try doing this. Perfect. Perfect. So with this minor change, we are able to improve the efficiency of our solution. So what we have done, we have just, instead of using this, instead of using this set, what we are doing that, we are using an array for destination city, because an array is easier to iterate. And that's what we have done. And with this minor change in implementation, our, code has become efficient, more efficient, and it's beating 100% of all the other solutions. So with this, I'll, end this. If you have any doubt, please post it in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer those doubts. Thanks a lot.